In Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, a new chapter in education has unfolded. A government secondary school, once left in ruins by a devastating fire, has been brought back to life using an innovative approach, 3D printing technology. This reconstruction project is not just about a building, it's about resilience, adaptation, and the potential of new technology to make a difference in people's life. Hello, I'm Muskan Khandelwal and you're watching Indian Masterminds. Let's begin. The story begins with a disaster. The fire that ravaged the school didn't just destroy walls and classrooms, it disrupted the lives of students, teachers, and the entire community. The loss was profound. For the students, the school was more than just a place to learn. It was a space where dreams were nurtured and friendships forged. The community knew that rebuilding the school was a priority, but the challenges were immense. In a region like Arunachal Pradesh, where the construction season is limited due to heavy monsoon rains, time was not on their side. Traditional construction methods would have required months, if not years, to complete the rebuilding process. The urgency of the situation demanded a different approach, something faster and more efficient. This is where 3D printing technology came into play. 3D printing, a method known for its speed and precision, was identified as the ideal solution for the unique challenge. The technology allows for the creation of three-dimensional structures by layering materials according to a computer-generated design. In essence, it builds structures layer by layer, which significantly reduces construction time compared to conventional methods. In Itanagar, where the window for construction is narrow, this advantage was crucial. The decision to rebuild the school using 3D printing was a bold move. It was the first time this technology was being used for an education institution in India, marking a significant milestone in the country's approach to construction. The reconstruction project began with cautious optimism. Could this new technology deliver on its promises? Would the school be ready in time for the students to return? The process started with the preparation of the substructure, the foundation that would support the 3D printed walls. The phase was crucial as the stability of the entire building depended on it. However, as the project progressed, it became clear that the costs were higher than initially anticipated. The substructure essential for the building's integrity ended up consuming a significant portion of the budget. What was originally expected to be a cost-effective solution turned out to be more expensive, with the total expenditure exceeding 1 crore rupees, far above the initial estimates of rupees 35 to 40 lakh. Despite the financial challenges, the project moved forward. The construction phase that followed was nothing short of remarkable. In just 2 months, the 3D printed school began to take shape. The technology allowed the construction team to work with a speed and efficiency that traditional methods couldn't match. Walls that would have taken weeks to build were completed in days, and the structure began to rise rapidly. The community watched in awe as the new school emerged from the ground layer by layer. The rapid construction didn't go unnoticed by the local residents and the students. For many, it was their first encounter with 3D printing, and they were amazed at how quickly the building was coming together. The students who had been attending classes in the temporary shelters were particularly excited. The prospect of returning to a new modern school building filled them with anticipation and joy. The completed school is not just a symbol of technological advancement, it is a beacon of hope for the community. It demonstrates that even in the face of adversity, innovative solutions can lead to positive outcomes. The new school, built with cutting-edge technology, stands as a testament to the potential of 3D printing in addressing the unique challenges faced by regions like Arunachal Pradesh. It has provided a way forward not just for the students who will study within its wall, but for the entire community that has witnessed its rapid rise. Beyond the immediate impact, the success of this project has broader implications. It shows that 3D printing is not just a futuristic concept, but a practical tool that can be used to solve real-world problems. In remote areas where traditional construction methods are slow and costly, 3D printings offer a viable alternative. It has the potential to revolutionize how buildings are constructed, particularly in places where time and resources are limited. Looking ahead, the experience gained from the Itanagar school project could pave the way for more widespread use of 3D printing in construction across India. The lessons learned, both the successes and the challenges, will inform future projects. There is potential for this technology to be used in various sectors, from healthcare facilities to housing, where the need for rapid, efficient construction is critical. In the end, the story of Itanagar School is about more than just 3D printing. It's about resilience in the face of adversity, the courage to try something new, and the belief that with the right tools and determination, even the most challenging problems can be overcome. The students of this school will carry with them not just the knowledge they gained within its walls, but the inspiring story of how those walls came to be. That's all for today. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Indian Masterminds. Until then, I'm Muskan Kandilwal signing off. See you next time with more stories that matters.